Today on Legendary Trails, we do our first oil change on our 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss.
What was that? Beans? Good beans, Cookie.
Some flatulence.
Okay.
Nasty, flappy flatulence.
At least he's honest about it. It is clean-ish. I need to wash it already.
Ooh, it stinks too.
It is not. It's a truck.
My flatulence.
No, those are changed. Kind of weird.
What kind of tiny engine did you get? Like a 3.2?
5.3. See what's the same size you got?
Mine had a 5.4.
It had a 5.3.
It had what? 0.1 more.
It had a 5.3. So let's see, how many quarts? I have 10. And 8, 9, 10. So I have to leave 2 quarts in here basically. What are you doing?
Chris looks thrilled.
He's on video, so you can't see it. Tell us about your flatulence, how it's not my truck, but you.
What do you mean?
Nothing.
Ooh, it stinks too.
It does not. It's a truck.
My
Flesh. Anyways, this is hard. 8 quarts is a lot. So I gotta go 1 more quart, basically. Right? Yeah. Oh!
You'd have 2 left in there, basically.
Yeah, pretty much. That's where it gets hard, though. Alright, so I got 2.5 left. Which side's quarts? One side's quarts is on the left. I gotta remember that. Quarts is on the left. Got a half quart to go.
10 quarts.
Uh-oh. 2 quarts left.
And then you put a little in the oil filter, so I don't know.
Yeah, but that was 5 quarts, 6, wait, 8 quarts. Yeah, I just need a tiniest, I don't know.
You're freezing.
It's pretty level, right? I don't need level. Let me go sit on something level and check it.
Is that for y'all?
This is hard, guys. I don't like it. Oh yeah, I just need like a fraction of a quart there. Fraction of a quart for 8. Penzo, not sponsored by me. Just putting in because I got a deal. But it should work. Easy. Don't shake it all bad. Pour oil. All right, I got exactly 2 quarts left.
Good job.
I got 8 quarts in it, Chevrolet. Let me check it. That means I only have 2. Yep, well, yep, pretty much 8. I'm tiny bit over, tiniest bit under 8, but I'll check it later and add a tiny bit if needed. Where should I add it now? Chris really hates cameras. But you're so funny on camera, we don't actually post these YouTube videos.
We do occasionally, but
only
we
post
edit.
ours. The horse one never made it in.
Yeah, we muted you.
What a horse one.
The horse one. The lemonade. How can you not remember the horse one with lemonade?
And I muted us.
Oh God, I hope I didn't go over. What if it blows up because I put in 1 millionth of a fraction of too much oil?
I think it's gonna be just fine.
Okay, I'm exactly 2, dead even. Camera that. It's perfect. I mean, that stuff is perfect. Exactly dead even. 2 quarts left. Out of 10, makes 8 quarts in there.
Dead even, good job.
Dead even, Chevrolet dealership.
Why are you
508 miles on the odometer. What are you guys doing? Stop. Get out of there, Emmett.
I don't want to be on her video.
Just get out of the truck.
Chris is in the truck.
Oh, okay, well, Everett, no, get on there.
I'll come get out the truck.
No, he's fine, Everett.
Get
He's-
out the truck.
There.
Next time on Legendary Trails. We take the Trail Boss on its first long trip and we end up at an amazing destination. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and we'll see you next time out on the trail.